Hi, I'm Noah. Let's get started on this algebra problem. So, as you can see here, we have a pretty complex equation. It looks pretty scary, not gonna lie. We have this 3 here that's really gonna be tripping people up because it's a cube root. But it's actually not that scary if you know the rule here. So if you look over, let's just disregard this whole problem. My cap just fell off. So anything right here, let's take this and just move it here. So just using x and y, this is all equal to the same y staying in the same position, but it's just 1 over that x. So this x right here is just going to move to the denominator to the power of y. So this is all equal. So that if you translate it over here with that rule, this complex equation is actually not that scary at all. If you just do this, if you take 8x to the 3, y to the second, and you raise that to the power of 1/3, you can just go from there. It's much more easy to do because you can just take a 1 by 1. You distribute this to every single value here. So the first one's pretty easy. It's just the 8. So 8, let's just rewrite it. 8 to the 1/3 power, x to the third times 1 over 3, and y to the second power times 1 over 3. So an important mistake that most people will make with this is they'll take, for example, the x to the third, so the x to the third to the 1/3. That's wrong. You don't want to do that because that's just going to mess everything up. What you want to do is make sure that this all is just raised to one singular line. So it's 3 times to the 1/3, and then that is being raised to the x. So 8 to the 1/3, that is just 2, pretty simple. This one right here is going to be just 3 over 3, which is just x to the 1, which is just x. You can leave it simply there. And then this y right here, this, if you can imagine, is going to be, let's just take it over here. That's going to be 2 over 1 times 1/3. What is that? Pretty simple, just 2 over 3. It's 0.66, but on an exam you're going to want to leave it as 2 over 3. So you take this 2 over 3, move it back to the y. There we go. And that is your answer to that equation. Thank you.